Hello, everybody, and welcome back to Amazing Tech for All. Have you ever needed a video from the internet that you want to add into a presentation or something of the sort? And sometimes you get redirected to a website that you need to pull this thing down from. Well, I've got a solution for you. This way, you will pull the video directly from your Firefox browser just before the video plays. This can then be put into your own little library and you can do with it as you please. So let's see. First, let's go and find some videos. Here, for example, let's just do some sports videos and something that's not necessarily on YouTube. You're quite capable of doing this on YouTube or any other video site that's playing something that is not downloadable. I think YouTube has made some of the stuff not downloadable, but if we're going to respect copyright and so on, then that's probably what we should be doing. So I'm just going to select this video. I'm going to put that on. And you can see there's no easy way for me to download this video. Right? So in comes Download Helper. Download Helper is a plugin that you can install on Firefox. Yes, so now we've got Video Download Helper. We click on the first link. We'll go install for Firefox, and we will add to Firefox. Right? It asks us, do you want it in the private window? Sure, why not? And we'll add. Now there's a little icon like this in the top right over here. You can see that it's not colored up. However, when we go to a site where a video is playing, like this one, and we start playing it, let's refresh that. Let's refresh the page and see what happens. So as it loads up, you will see that this button or this little icon is now lit up. So if you click on it, you will see there's a download option for it. And if we click on that, it'll just take a few seconds and it'll download the video. So we can look at the progress. It's a few seconds. We can now move away from the website and go to another page if we like. There's something you find somewhere else, maybe that is interesting. You can download shorts if you like, and there's tons of other video websites that you can take full advantage of, because this will now save it into your file system. So it will plunk it under your downloads folder. Let's just see. I think it'll just come to here. Oh, this one was something else. It was pulled down a little while ago. Let's just see. Let's wait for this one. I don't know how big this video is, but it'll take a few minutes to download, and once it's downloaded, we'll play the video and you can see that it will be available for your use. And that'll really is one of the most powerful tools I've come across to use in your own little, to put videos into your own little library, particularly if it's tutorials. I would like a video on how to do a particular thing, maybe a recipe, how to cook something. You can go and find that. Most times it's on YouTube, but sometimes the collection isn't, or rather you've got to go search for it. It's never the same video that you were looking for, because people are uploading videos constantly to YouTube. That's very, very hard. Let's see here quickly. Let's see. Let's go to chicken recipes maybe. That's spelled right. There we go. That's on YouTube. Think things with this is a 9-minute video, but you can see that the icon isn't lit up at the moment, because the video isn't about to play. So let's see. A few seconds. Does YouTube allow you to download this to your computer? No, it does not. So let's wait for it to finish. How far is this one? Okay, a few more moments. Okay, so this one is just about done. There we go. And now you can see as the video is about to play, well, let's wait for the advert to finish. Also, if you have the video at your own disposal, you no longer have to wait for ads. Yes. Let's see. And there the video is playing. So if I click on this little button, it will download that video. You can close YouTube. You can close the other channel, other one as well. Let's wait for it. Close that one. These tabs you can leave open, and so on and so forth. So there we go. We've got our first videos that's downloaded. This is the one that we've already got. If we play it, let's see if it'll play. But this is now on your local computer. There we go. The Manchester City one. Okay. Request additional permissions. We can allow that. Not that that is really necessary. You can obviously play it through here, directly under your downloads folder. Now I'm running this on a little virtual machine, so it's not really the best speed. Yeah, just there we go. Should probably apply it with a bit more memory. Anyway, this was just a quick tutorial on how to get your videos from the internet that you would like to keep, maybe for in your own little library. Maybe watch my jellyfin video where you can see how to go about making that. There we go. Our chicken recipe is there now. Let's see if it will play. Now, oh, I haven't installed the application that can play it, so maybe I should do that instead. Let's just sudo apt install VLC. There's a VLC player. Oh, geez, wow, it's a lot. Sure, okay. Let's install that. This video is taking a little longer than expected, but yeah, it'll be worth it once we've got everything up and running, and then of course prove that we can play the video that we've just downloaded using the download helper application. Fortunately, the downloading of this apps are quite quick. There you go. The installation process is beginning. For any of you who would like to do more Linux tutorials, you're welcome to contact me via the chat, or not the chat, but the comments. Okay. Okay, so we should be able to right click on this and now say open with, let's say VLC. Continue, and there the video is now playing that we just downloaded.